Hello, wonderful people. Today, while in the house, I decided to do the coconut chips for the entire family to snack on. So, be with me while I take you through the process of breaking open the coconut, dehusking, and cleaning it up. So, I'll briefly go behind the scene, open the coconut, and peel the brown skin. So, if you have gotten to this extent, please do well to like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. So this is here I am scraping off the brown skin to make sure I get a cleaner coconut so that it wouldn't interfere with the taste. Yeah, please do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, as you will be getting more values, more ideas, more recipes from me from time to time. After the peeling off, I'm almost done. Here is the coconut cut into pieces to be grated. Yeah. Now the next stage is to slice it with a grater into the desired thickness and prepare it ready to be put in the oven. Yeah, this is me preparing it to put it inside my oven to air dry. In this method, I decided to share it into half. One part that will be just the coconut chips, and the other I will drizzle a little honey to it to make it tastier. So after this, I'll quickly pop it into the oven and air fry it. Yeah. Thank you so far for watching my channel. I appreciate the love. I appreciate my new subscribers. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Yeah, here, this is me popping it into my oven to air dry it. Now, at some point in this video, I don't know for what reason, my oven was acting up, so I had to transfer into a pot. This is me making sure that the meal comes out as planned. Sometimes we plan a meal and have the idea of how we want it to turn out, and along the line, something of equipment or one thing or the other, time frame, one thing, gadgets or one other thing or the other might try to make the process not to come out as desired. But hey, you have to find a way to resolve the issue. So this is me here saying, no, this coconut chip must come out the way I planned it. So here I am tossing the first batch here. This is what is left, the results of the cooking process. The one on my right, the first one I'm eating now, is the chips without honey. Yeah, I tested it. It was good. By this time, my little baby was crying and seeking for mommy, so I had to back him while I filmed this